Criss is going to drive this motorcycle into this steel cage. The cage is going to be lifted up 50 feet.
Criss will be visible at all times until the last second.
Pyro goes off, the cage falls apart.
And he's planning to, within a split second, vanish.
And reappear right in front of them.
This is all about precision timing. I have the time to vanish perfectly with the pyro. The explosives will cause the cage to break apart. And if I don't vanish at the right time, the only place left is to plummet straight down.
I hope Criss is aware that if this motorcycle falls from that height, he's dead.
Good evening, folks. Thank you so very much for coming through a demonstration that has never, ever been attempted outdoors under these impactful conditions. I want you to check out 360 degrees and see that there is absolutely nothing to hide. This cage is exactly what it is, a cage. You can see completely through it right there. Now come around. I want you to see this is the bike that we'll be utilizing. There are cameras everywhere to make sure you, the home viewer, will be able to watch every moment as it unfolds. We have nearly 1,000 people here to watch it. They're your eyes to assure you that everything you see is exactly what you get. I want you to see that this is really me. This is a demonstration that has never been attempted, never been executed in any shape, way, form outside. We're gonna try to do it in front of nearly 1,000 people here. I wanna make note that we have another camera right over here on my bike, along with many other angles, to make sure you'll see the Mindfreak demonstration as it unfolds moment by moment. No switches, no doubles, no mirrors, no threads, except the crane. Check it out. See, it's me right over here. No. All right. Is it me? Is it me? All right. I want you to check this out. It's gonna be crazy. Has everything been fair up to this point?
My timing has to be absolutely perfect. I have to do the transposition at the exact same time that the explosives will break open the cage, or the bike and I will plummet to the earth.
Are you ready?
Okay, Criss, are you ready?
Ready!
All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go! I don't believe what I just saw. I know Magic very well. This is something that... This is incredible.